This is the RVM machine.
Welcome to RVM.
RVM में आपका स्वागत है.
Call and win.
रिसाइकल कीजिए, इनाम जीतिए.
This is the LCD screen which prints all the information regarding the machine. This is a speaker which speaks both in Hindi and English. These are the sensors to sense metal and plastic waste. These are the LEDs, red and green. This is the buzzer, and this is also a buzzer. And there is a button to press, and this is a QR code.
Plastic waste on the left side. Metal waste on the right side. Press button when done.
बाईं ओर प्लास्टिक कचरा डालें, दाहिनी ओर धातु का कचरा डालें और काम पूरा होने पर बटन दबाएं.
This is a metal can. As you can see, the flap opens automatically. And this is a plastic bottle. And as I will press the button, the code will appear.
It is UPG.
UPG है.
As our code is UPGF, when a person
QR code and win the prize.
कोड को स्कैन करें और पुरस्कार जीतें.
As you can listen, as we will scan this QR code, we will be directed to the website, and then we can enter this code and redeem the points.
The code to redeem point.
देने के लिए कोड दर्ज करें.
Thank you for your contribution.
आपके सहयोग के लिए धन्यवाद.
So this was the working of the upper part. So this is the second part of a machine in which we are measuring the level of the dustbin using ultrasonic sensor and getting the location of the dustbin with the GPS module. The continuous update of the level of the dustbin as well as the location is sent to the app as well as the cloud platform, which I am using is ThinkSpeak. When the level of the dustbin is less than the 5 centimeter, the notification will be sent through an app to the garbage collector to empty the dustbin. This is the look of the app. As you can see, the location of my home on the map and level of the dustbin on gauge.